Hello friend, today we will discuss a topic from ray optics, that is optical instrument. So microscope is a type of optical instrument which is used to magnify the things, and we are able to see the object in a magnified way. So simple microscope is nothing but a magnifying glass. You have seen this is like this form, this is the glass and this is the stand. When we use this stand, the letters are seen a little bit. So simple microscope is a biconvex lens. Biconvex means this one, both side convex. Okay, having a short focal length. It has short focal length. So I have taken the first case of it. See it carefully. This is the concave lens. This is the principal axis. This is the optical center of curvature. You can say that focus 1 and this is focus 2. We place the object in place of focus 1 and optical center. Okay. Take the object name A, B. Okay. This is the center. You can see also that I have drawn the center. Okay. Now this is pass straight parallel and it will deviate and pass from focus 2, and one ray pass straight from optical center. Okay. Where is the image form? If we deviate the ray backward, this is not straight but you will do straightly. The image is formed in this. This is what? This is not real, this is virtual. A dash, B dash. You can see the image is virtual, upright and magnified. Okay. The first case is when we take the object in between the focus 1 and optical center, and the image is formed is magnified, virtual and upright. This is the first case. Okay. And this adjustment is called adjustment for unstrained eye. You can write dist adjustment is called adjustment for what? For unstrained eye. This is not given in NCERT, but you know the cases. Okay. Unstrained eye. There is one case more in the simple microscope which I have discussed in the later video, so you can go through it. If you like it and if you understand, please like my video and subscribe. Thank you.